The effects of the Middle East conflict are being felt on the streets of Manila, where rising fuel prices are cutting into the earnings of jeepney drivers. For Joseph Oriñon, the increase in diesel costs has made it harder to make ends meet. At 53, and after 32 years of driving, he now spends around 2,000 pesos a day on fuel, more than double what he used to pay.
Dati kasi nung hindi pa siya ganun kataas yung diesel, nakapaglalagay kami ng diesel mga maghapon hanggang gabi na yun, 900. So ngayon, umabot na siya ng mahigit 2,000. Imbis na maiuwi na namin yung iba, napupunta sa diesel. Kaya natitira sa amin, maliit na lang, mga 300, 200, ganun, tiisan na lang talaga.
Oriñon starts work at 5 a.m. and finishes near 8 p.m., but longer hours no longer guarantee enough income. With fares difficult to increase and passengers also managing higher living costs, drivers say their margins continue to shrink.
Ito yung parte na napakasakit, yung babalik ka wala kang makuha ang pasahero. Yung ipinila natin kanina doon sa kabila, yun ang makukuha pang diesel. Kaya ang matitira, wala na, konti na lang.
Oriñon is among those calling on the government to temporarily remove fuel taxes, saying it would help ease pressure on both drivers and commuters.
Sa panawagan ko naman sa Pangulo natin na kung maaari, tanggalin na lang po yung tax. Malaking bagay na rin po yung makakatulong. Kasi kung aanuin naman natin yung pagtaas dito sa rota namin, ay baka hindi na rin sumakay yung mga tao. Dahil siyempre, dagdag rin nila yan, gastos. Tapos, halos konti na nga po yung sumasakay. Gawa nung nagbabudget na rin siguro sila. Kaya sana, yan na lang po yung tax. Tanggalin muna pansamantalang dumadaan tayo sa krisis na to.
Jeepneys remain a key mode of transport for millions across the Philippines. But as fuel prices rise and support remains limited, some drivers say staying on the road is becoming harder to sustain.